Okay, this is my third and last example para dun sa ating last topic sa basic calculus. Ito yung area between two curves. It says, find the area bounded by x equals y squared and x squared minus 2x plus 3y equals to 2. Now, itong dalawang equations na to ay parabola parehas. Okay? Solve muna natin yung point or points of intersection. Solving the points of intersection. Okay. So, hindi tayo pwedeng substitution pa rin gagamitin natin. And x equals y squared. So, isa-substitute lang natin si y squared sa x ng ating second equation. So, we have x is equal to y squared. So, ito yung ating first equation. I-substitute natin to sa ating second equation. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3y equal to 2. And x is y squared. So, re-replace ko lang si x ng y squared. So, we have y squared squared. Okay? Minus 2 times y squared plus 3y equal to 2. Okay? So, we have y to the fourth minus 2y squared plus 3y equal, minus 2 equal to 0. So, medyo mahirap mag-solve dito. Gamitin natin yung synthetic division para ma-factor natin to o ma-solve natin yung mga values of y natin. Okay? So, gamit ng synthetic division, ano ba yung factors of negative 2? Yun ang gagawin nating multiplier. Pwedeng negative 2 times negative 1 and positive, okay? Negative 2 times 1 and 2 times negative 1. Okay? Gamitin muna natin yung 1. So, by synthetic division, we have 1 here. May missing power tayo, cube. So, gawin natin yung 0. Just numerical value niya, we have negative 2, 3, negative 2. Okay. Multiplier natin, gamitin natin ay, let's say, 1. Okay. Bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 1. We have negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 0. So, tama yung 1 natin. So, ito ay magiging expressions na to ay so, this is y cube plus y squared minus y plus 2. Okay? So, mahirap pang ma-factor. So, isip pa tayo. So, let's say negative 2 naman kasi nakuha natin yung 1. Okay? So, negative 2 from here. Negative 2. Bring down 1. 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. That is positive 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 0. Tama rin. So, ang factors natin ay this is y minus 1. This is y plus 2. And this one, y squared minus y plus 1. So, wala tayong factors dito. Walang real roots yung y natin dito. So, therefore, ang sagot natin, y equal to 1 and y equals to negative 2. Okay? Solve natin si x. Solving x. Okay? So, if y equal to 1, gamitin natin itong first equation. So, we have, if y equal to 1, solve natin sa x. We have x equals 1 squared. So, 1. Okay? If y equal to negative 2. So, we have x equals to, substitute dito, x equals to negative 2 squared, x equals to 4. So, ang points of intersection natin, dalawa, 1, 1, and 4, negative 2. Okay? Yan. Okay. Now, ang graph nitong first equation natin is a parabola with vertex at the origin, axis of symmetry along y, x-axis, opens to the right. Try natin ito. Ilagay natin sa standard form. Standard form. O standard equation of a parabola. Yung una, wala nang problema kasi nasa standard form na siya. Okay? That is y squared is equals to x. Yung isa na lang, x squared minus 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Transpose natin 3y. So we have x squared minus 2x. 2 minus 3y. Okay. Completing the square, add lang ako dito ng 1. Add lang ako dito ng 1. So we have x minus 1 squared. This is factor natin. This is negative 3y plus 3. So we have x minus 1 squared. Factor si negative 3, we have y minus 1. So ang vertex ng parabola na to is located at 1, 1. Okay? Yeah. So alam na natin yung points of intersection. Alam na natin yung standard form ng isang parabola. Graph na natin siya. Okay? So ito siya. Ito yung y. Ito yung x. And then yung parabola natin sa origin. Ito ay pag ganito siya. Okay. Points of intersection, 1, 1. So, nandito yung ating 1, 1. Kasi ito yung 1, 1. Ito yung, let's say, this is 4, negative 2. Okay? 4, negative 2. Ito yung 1, 1. By the way, yung ating vertex ng isang parabola, tatama rin dito. Isa sa point of intersection yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag ganito siya. 1, 1, 4, 2. So, ito siya. By the way, this is a parabola opens downward. Okay? Opens downward siya. Kasi negative to. Yan. Pag ganun siya. Okay? So, ito yung y is equal to, ito ay y equal to x squared. O x equals y squared. Okay? Ito naman, yung mahabang equation, ito. X squared minus 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Okay? Now, okay. Kailangan na natin gamitin ay, let's say, horizontal element. Okay? Para makuha natin yung area. So, ito yung ating horizontal element. Ito yung ating dy. Ito yung ating x to the right. Ito yung ating x to the left. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan isulat muna natin to as x is a function of y. Okay? Paano natin susulat yan? Square root natin both sides. Okay? Square root natin both sides. So, the result is x minus 1 square root of negative 3y plus 3. Okay? Plus 3. Then, ilipat natin yung 1. So, that is x equals to 1 plus square root of negative 3y plus 3. Okay? So, yun yung ating x to the right. Ito yung right. Ito. Para kay x to the left, wala nang problema. Ito na yun. Okay? Ito yung left. Now, gamit yung ating formula ng area na horizontal strip or horizontal element, we have area is equal to the integral of x to the right minus x to the left times dy from C to D. Ano yung C to D natin dyan? edi from negative 2 to 1. Okay, from negative 2 to 1. Ito yun, horizontal element. So, ibig sabihin, yung interval natin ng y from negative 2 to 1. Okay? X to the right natin ay ito, 1 plus square root of negative 3y plus 3 minus x to the left is y squared. dy integral of from negative 2 to 1. Okay. So, burahin ko muna ito. Magle-let u tayo dito. Okay? Para ma-integrate natin. So, let u, dito walang problema, y na to. So, y cube over 3. Ito na lang. Let u is equal to negative 3y plus 3. Ang du natin is negative 3 dy. So, therefore, du over negative 3c dy. Okay? Now, isa-isahin natin. Integral nito, area is equal to integral of dy from negative 2 to 1. Then, integral nito plus integral of, anong u natin? Ayun, u. u to the 1 half times du over negative 3 minus integral of y squared dy. This is from negative 2 to 1, from negative 2 to 1. So, ginamit ko na yung ating properties ng ating definite integral. Next is integral nito, that is y from negative 2 to 1. This is u to the 1 half, or 3 halves. By the way, ilabas ko muna yung negative 1/3. Negative 1/3 u to the 3 halves over 3 halves. Okay? That is from negative 2 to 1. This one is minus y cube over 3 from negative 2 to 1. So, we have a is equal to, substitute muna natin yung u. So, that is y from negative 2 to 1. This is, mababaliktad, 2/3 times negative 1/3 is 2 over 9. Ang u natin ay negative 3y plus 3. So, negative 3y plus 3 raised to 3 halves. From negative 2 to 1. Minus, ito naman, that is y cube over 3 negative 2 to 1. Substitute natin yung lower and upper limit. Starting with the upper limit, we have 1 minus minus 2. 1 minus minus 2. Ito naman, negative 2 over 9. Nahin natin si 1. Okay? So, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 plus 3, 0. So, 0 na yan. Minus, ito naman. Okay? So, that is 6 plus 3. So, 9. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 to the 3 halves. Okay. Yan. Minus 1/3 minus minus 8/3. Yan. Okay. So, 1 minus this. So, area equal to, this is 3 minus 2 over 9 is negative. So, square root of 9 is 3. 3 cube is 27. So, minus 27. And then, this one is minus 1/3 plus 1/8. Sorry, that is 9 over 3. Okay. Area is equal to 3. Negative 27 divided by 9 is negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 minus 3. Okay. Sagot natin ay A, 6 square units. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin sa area bounded by these curves is A equals 6 square units. Okay, so I'm going to give you activity sheet for this topic. Remember, this is our lesson para sa ating basic calculus. Thank you.